Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by confirming basic access. Log in on a device you trust so Facebook recognizes it. Once logged, go straight to Settings Security and log in to find two-factor authentication. Make sure your phone number and email are current because Facebook will send a confirmation code. If you use an authenticator app, open it now. While you do this, note any unusual login alerts. They explain why 2FA might be blocking you and help you choose the right recovery method. Once done confirming access, change or restore your authentication method. If codes from your app aren't working, remove and re-add the authenticator in Facebook's two-factor settings. Scan the new QR and enter the code to confirm. Make sure to enable backup codes and download them now so you aren't locked out later. If you prefer, add your phone number for SMS or register a hardware security key. These alternatives reduce single-point failures and let you regain entry quickly if one method fails. To finish, test logging out and back in to verify the new 2FA settings work. That proves your changes are effective. Make sure backup codes are printed or saved in a secure password manager so you can recover without a phone. If you still can't access the account, use Facebook's identity verification. Follow the prompts to upload ID and explain the problem. One key troubleshooting tip: if codes fail, check device times syncing on your phone. Incorrect time causes authenticator codes to be invalid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.